Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of reviewing comments held as spam in YouTube on your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC by launching the application or visiting the YouTube website. Step 2. Sign in to YouTube Studio, which is the platform for managing your YouTube channel. Step 3. From the left menu, select Comments. This will take you to the Comments Management section. Step 4. Choose the Held for Review tab. This tab displays all the comments that have been flagged as spam or require manual review. Note: if any comments have been reported as spam on your content, they'll appear at the bottom of the Held for Review tab and will be labeled as likely spam. Step 5. From the Held for Review tab, you have several options to manage the comments. You can choose to approve comments, remove comments, report comments for spam or abuse, or even hide users from your channel. And that's how you review comments held as spam in YouTube on your PC. It's essential to regularly monitor and moderate the comments section to maintain a positive environment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.